we ditched the automatic drop-down steps that came on the Jeep when we bought it, and we got these side, what do you call these? Like, they're not, step bars. They have built-in steps that we're going to put on the Jeep today. They came, we got these from Extreme Terrain, which we've bought several things from them. Also got a tonneau cover we'll be installing. That'll be in another video. And this it came with, of course, instructions and all the little brackets and hardware that we should need to install these on my Gladiator. The first step is to loosely attach the brackets that go to the body of the Jeep, and there are 3 for each side, and they are nicely labeled. So passenger center, passenger rear, and the other one's PF for passenger front. And then of course those are all DF, DC, DR. So that's really nice. I like that they're labeled. We've put things together before that there's no labels and you gotta guess. Okay, so there's one loosely mounted. So which one was that considered? Is that the center?
Front. No, that's the front.
Oh, that's front. Okay.
Yeah, there's no other body mount holes.
Oh, okay. Just looked far back to me.
Yep.
Okay, so there they are, loosely mounted. Next step, we got to redo it. So that one, the center one needs to go up where that one is, and that one needs to go up where he is right now. But the bolt hole in the body has never had nothing in it, so I never had anything in it. So he's trying to get it to where he can screw the bolt in. And then we'll move these brackets. So there should be a larger space between the rear and the center, and then a shorter space between the center and the front brackets. Alright, so these are the next brackets that go on, and they go on to those brackets, and they get a bolt, a washer, and a nut. Okay, that first pinch weld one bracket is on there. It kind of hangs down to the step bracket. 2 little bolts to the pinch weld, and then there's going to be a big bolt that attaches that bracket to the other bracket. And we're still going to leave everything loose until we get all of the brackets together. I'm not sure if I said, but each one of these pinch weld brackets are also marked passenger driver, front, rear, and center. Wait. There. See, this is what I do. I hold the bolts. And I make sure he gets the right ones. Because they were not labeled. None of the bolts were labeled. They weren't in separate little packages with labels. We had to figure out which ones went with what. Well, I think... Do you need to move closer?
Yeah, I need to move down more.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. I think the other side will be a little easier because now we know what we're doing and we figured out all the bolts and what goes to what. So I learned how to read. That helped a little bit, I guess. Oh, okay, here's a bolt thingy. Oh, here's a washer thingy and a nut thingy. Okay, here's another bolt thingy. And a washer and a nut. Phew, this is hard work.
Yeah, it's very taxing on you.
Okay, and then there's the bracket to bracket bolt. And a washer. And a nut. Okay. Now, do your holes line up?
Yeah, so far.
I can't find anyone's over here. I'll just hold this in place. I put the one in on the back and he's trying to get the second one in. I couldn't quite see. He's got the first two in on the front and now he's going to put the two center ones in. And all of these are being left loose because we need to be able to tighten everything up and adjust as we go, which is going to be probably a treat. Okay, the first step is to tighten the brackets that are on the pinch welds. So we've got wrench and wrench and a socket both, so we can tighten these down. Notice how I said we can tighten these down.
I think it's gonna look pretty good once we get it on.
Yeah, I think they will too. Figure out.
Get
Get them all nice and adjusted properly. Like I said, that's going to be a real treat, I'm sure. Well, I think we lost probably a half hour to 45 minutes just trying to figure out all the stupid bolts.
Yep. So
maybe the other side will go a lot faster. Or maybe we just won't put it on and we'll just run with one on the passenger side.
Yeah.
So he's still doing the pinch weld ones. Got this one done. Now he's doing the center one. And then he'll go ahead and do the front one too. Is that as far back as it goes?
No.
Oh.
There's still a bunch of slide left, but it's not letting it move because this is tightened down.
Well, this shouldn't have been tightened down.
It's not, but there's not a slide in that one.
Oh, well, I thought there was.
Oh, maybe there is. It's at it.
Make sure it's pushed back as far as it'll go. Okay. Yeah, we're trying to comprehend why they bothered to put the adjustments, because once you attach and tighten these pinch weld ones down, it doesn't let you move anything.
Yep.
So we're not really quite understanding the whole point of even allowing the slides. It really makes no sense. So he tightened the body one. He's going to tighten the bracket one, and he's going to do that on each one. And then he's going to adjust the bar the direction that we want it. And we're going to probably pull it just a little up. That way the steps aren't pointing downward. And then we'll tighten, or he will tighten all those. Okay, we've got all the body bolts done. Next is to tighten the step, and we need to just adjust it to where we want it, and then tighten all 6 of these down. So, I don't know, what do you think? Do you want them up like this?
They need to be like level, I think. Don't you think?
Is that level?
Yeah, that's pretty level.
Okay. This one is on. Now we are going to work on the driver's side. I might show you a little bit here and there. And then we'll call it quits. And when it's daylight, because it's dark now, we'll show you what they look like outside where you could actually see them better. Guess we should have put more WD-40 on it before we got over here. Lubed it up better. Okay, that one is installed. I think we got them lined up right according, to the other side, because we don't want one to be sticking way out or way up or whatever. I think we got it. We'll know better tomorrow when it's daylight. We'll show you what it looks like then. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.